guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing my nails with this dip nail kit. So we have the colors right here, but I'm not going to pull them out. Then we have extra brushes. We have this cute little brush for all the powder dust. We have the base, which is the first step. We have the activator, which is the second step. And then we have the gel top, which is the third step. So these are the nail tips that I'm going to be using. I have this Kiss Speed Glue. And so right here, I'm just applying the nails on to my nails. Okay, so I finished applying them, and this is how they look. Now I'm going to use my scissors to cut them down to the length I want. I'm just comparing them to my other hand that I already did off camera. Okay, so they're all cut. I'm going to be using my nail file to go ahead and start filing them down and making sure they're the shape I want, which is square. So I'm using the brush to bluff my hands, all that dust that came off. And now I'm using this purple glitter. This is the acrylic dipping powder. And I'm going to be using the base. And basically all you do is apply it to your nail, all smooth and you use a thin layer. Don't use too much because it'll make the nail look lumpy. And you don't want to get it on your skin either, because then the powder is going to stick to your skin. My mom actually bought this nail kit for me for just because. She said it was on sale, but it was originally like $40. So yeah, it's very expensive. It's basically like a professional nail kit. But this stuff is like really strong too. Like the products are really strong. It burnt my nose and my eyes a million times. But after you apply the powder, you have to let each nail dry for 30 seconds. You can do how many ever layers you want, but I did about 2.5 layers because I went back after the second round just to touch up and fill in where I felt like the nail wasn't full complete. I should have put a towel down because I was definitely making a big mess, but it's okay. So I'm done with the base, so now we're going to move on to the second step, which is the activator. And this basically just hardens the acrylic on your nails so that way you can file them without the stuff coming off. This stuff is probably stronger than the base. It really burnt my nose and eyes, but I didn't really show it on camera because I was trying to do my nails the right way. So after 60 seconds, this has to dry for 60 seconds, you can go ahead and start filing your nails again because the edges were not smooth like I wanted them to. So I had to do it just one more time. So I'm buffing my nails again before I do the last step, which is the gel top. And this is basically going to give the nails a really smooth and glossy finish, like you're using regular clear top coat nail polish. So my nails are done. I went on ahead and applied some oil to my cuticles off camera, and this is the finishing product. They came out really good and I love them. But yeah, you guys, this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.